Digestive system. Alimentary canal consists of mouth, buccal cavity, esophagus, stomach, intestine, and rectum. Mouth is a large slit-like aperture lying mid-ventrally below the anterior end of head. It is bounded in front of fleshy labrum laterally by the plate-like incisor processes of mandibles and behind by the bilobed labium. Mouth leads into buccal cavity. It is anterior-posteriorly compressed and has a thick cuticular lining, which is irregularly folded. The molar processes of mandibles lie opposite each other in the buccal cavity to crush the food between them. Esophagus. The short tubular esophagus runs vertically upward from the buccal cavity to the floor of cardiac stomach. Internally, the thick muscular wall of esophagus is thrown into four prominent longitudinal folds, one anterior, one posterior, and two lateral. Stomach. Stomach occupies most of the cephalothoracic cavity. It remains buried laterally, ventrally, and posteriorly in the hepatopancreas. Stomach of Fron is thin-walled and double-chambered, consisting of two parts: a large anterior bag-like cardiac stomach and a much smaller posterior pyloric stomach. Cardiac stomach, the inner cuticular lining or intima of cardiac stomach present numerous inconspicuous longitudinal folds covered by minute bristles. Pyloric stomach is a small and narrow chamber lying below the posterior end of cardiac stomach. Its lateral walls are thick, muscular, and prominently folded inwards, so that its cavity is imperfectly divided into a big ventral chamber and a small dorsal chamber. Midgut. Intestine is also known as midgut. It is long, narrow, and straight tube running backward along the median line between the extensor and flexor muscle up to the sixth abdominal segment. Its lumen is wide at the anterior end but reduced posteriorly due to the presence of longitudinal fold. Hindgut. It is the shortest portion of the alimentary canal, leading from midgut to anus. Its anterior swollen muscular part, called the intestinal bulb or rectum, bears many internal longitudinal folds. The terminal narrow tubular part open to the exterior through anus, which is a sphinctered midventral longitudinal slit-like opening situated on the raised papilla at the base of Telson. Hepatopancreas is a large, bilobed, dense, and orange glandular mass which lies below gonads and nearly fills up the cephalothoracic cavity. It surrounds stomach on its lateral, ventral, and posterior sides. Hepatopancreas combines in itself the functions of pancreas, small intestine, and liver of higher animals. Hepatopancreas functioning as pancreas, it secretes digestive enzymes which can digest carbohydrate, protein, and fats. As midgut, it absorbs the digested food material, and as a liver it serves as an important storage organ for glycogen, fat, and calcium. Some intracellular digestion also seems to be taken place